I started fitting the headliner. There's where my curve pieces are going to go. For the last three pieces, we had to go the other way going up the roll. I started sewing the headliner. Here's pieces 1, 2. There's 3 through 6 over here. 7, 8, 9 are over here. The main body's done. Now we just gotta sew in the listing. Alright, I went ahead and put the headliner in. I got the back glued. I sprayed the front. I got all the bows set into place. Got some screws put in to figure out where everything's supposed to go. And now I'm gonna set this. Alright, I got most of it. One side. The front and the back. Now we just gotta stretch this side. Like I said, I've already got it sprayed. It's gonna come down. I'm gonna try to start right here in the center like I did the last one.